Okay, we're gonna have a good time today. It's a little gloomy outside. The wind's blowing a little bit. We was gonna cook in the house, but we decided, heck, we can do it outside. We're gonna use the CampMaid Flip Grill. So I got some briquettes going in the charcoal chimney, and then I put it in the charcoal holder here, which clamps right on the flip grill. And I want to put them right up there to the top, because what we're gonna do, we're gonna cook some yummy salmon, but first we're gonna start these green beans in this little cast iron skillet. And I set them on there. These are fresh green beans from the market, and then there's a garlic there and olive oil. So we'll put that on there. I have the flip grill up as high as it can go, and then I'm going to cover it with the 12-inch Dutch oven just to keep the heat in, and this will help it. So yeah, so we'll let that go. I think we'll cook this for 15 or 20 minutes. Then we're going to get the salmon going. So now we'll go in the inside and get the salmon all prepped and ready to go. So we'll see you back. All right, here we go. Let's get the salmon going. This is lemon walnut crusted salmon. So we have all these good ingredients here, but we're going to make the sauce first. And what we have here is we have some mayonnaise, and there's some zested lemon right there. And then we have dill and salt and pepper. We'll put in there, and then some lemon juice. So we'll whisk this together like so. The beans, they're out there cooking. I think they'll cook 15 or 20 minutes, but yeah, I think they'll be fine. So there's that. There's the sauce, and then the crust is, we have, this is walnuts crushed, pork rinds crushed, just regular pork rinds. I'll put in there some melted butter, and then we have garlic, salt, and pepper. And this salmon, once we get it out there on the flip grill, it'll probably cook for about 15 or 20 minutes. So I figured those green beans would take 40, and so yeah, we're letting them cook for a while. Look at that, that looks pretty good. So what I want to do is pour some of this sauce on the salmon, like so. We'll just do that and get it all where this dry mix will stick. So that's some good flavor there. Make sure you get it all on the salmon there. Then we'll sprinkle this dry mix on here. Oh, that looks pretty dang good. So there we go. Let's load this up. So and then we'll just kind of push it down. But there we go. The salmon's ready. We'll go outside and check the beans. I think we've got about 10 more minutes. We'll put the salmon on the flip grill and be ready to go. So we'll see you back. They're looking pretty good. We need to get the salmon going, I think. Okay, we're ready to get the salmon on. These beans are like sizzling like crazy. Yeah, check this out. It smells so dang good. What I'm gonna do while I have the gloves on, I'm gonna lower this charcoal, and I'm gonna put some wood chips on here, because we're going to utilize this as a smoker to cook this salmon. Let's have some wood chips.
It smells good.
Apple wood chips. Can you smell the apple?
Totally. Oh my gosh.
We'll put those on there. It's a little mess. We'll clean up the extras tomorrow, and we can use them next time. But yeah, look at that. That's pretty dang cool. So let me raise that back up. We'll take off the gloves, and then here's the salmon. Look at that. Yummy.
Oh my gosh.
And I think this will take like 15 minutes or so. We'll just put this right on here. Perfect. That's perfect space right there. Set that there. I think I'm gonna lower this just a little bit while those wood chips are firing up. And then you put this Dutch oven over it, and this will do the smoker effect. And let's in 10 minutes we'll come adjust that. So there you go. 10 minutes, we'll lower that, and we'll be back. Okay, we're good. We're gonna raise the charcoals up, but yeah, doing good. The beans are looking good. That salmon, yeah, here we go. I just didn't want to get flame scorched. So let's raise this heat back up right underneath there. See how good that works? It just has a clamp. You just squeeze in. It just hooks on that middle. There we go. So here, I think 10 more minutes, we should be good to go. So we'll see you back.
Come on, stop.
Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's check this and see how it's going. It smells yummy. Yeah, this works so good, this flip grill. Yummy.
Woo.
Look at those beans. Stir those up. Oh yeah, that smells pretty dang good. Look at that garlic. Oh, it's roasting up. See those garlics down there? Look how good that's roasting up right there. Yummy. Let me check this salmon. Ooh, I think we could be good. Look at that. That's yummy. I'm gonna give it a try.
It looks perfect.
Yummy.
Perfect?
So I don't even know if we need to plate it up. I'm just gonna sample it right here off the griddle. Oh, that salmon is delicious.
Beans tender?
Yummy. Ooh, those are so good. Let's try this one. Look at how that flakes off. Yeah. So this is the taste test here. Yummy. Oh, that is so good. So there you go. Lemon, crusted, creamy, whatever.
Walnut.
Walnut salmon. Yeah, I knew I'd forget the name of it. And then these green beans and this cute little teeny cast iron skillet with garlic. Delicious. Good time cooking in the outdoors. Yummy. Hot, hot, hot. Hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.